Aerial view of the Alice Campbell Alumni Center and its water fountain. The guidelines in this video apply only to university-owned facilities. A sustainability committee member stands in front of the fountain welcoming viewers.
Hello, and welcome to the Zero Waste module of the University of Illinois Green Trainings. Today, we'll be covering what is recyclable on U of I's campus, take you behind the scenes with us in the waste sorting process, and leave you with resources so that you can join the Zero Waste movement on campus and be orange by going green.
Inside, she stands beside a 3-stream waste bin.
Here, we have our campus's standard 3-compartment bins. In all university-affiliated buildings, we always recycle plastics number 1 and number 2, aluminum cans, and paper. Cardboard is broken down and then tucked next to the bin.
Another committee member opens the bin doors to show the colored bags.
Recycling bins on campus will be lined with blue bags. Landfill bins in common areas are lined with clear bags. Landfill bins with high food waste and contamination are lined with black bags, and these will go directly to landfill with no further sorting. You can refer to the labels on the side of the bins for more sorting tips.
Title appears, What belongs in the bins? The women demonstrate which materials go in each color bag.
Here are all the items that we can recycle here on campus. Aluminum cans, plastic bottles, paper, and if you have any miscellaneous plastic items, be sure to check the bottom to see if they're plastic types 1 and 2. Finally, if you have large cardboard, make sure to break down the cardboard and then stow it beside the bin.
Here are all the items that we landfill on campus. Plastic and paper coffee cups, takeout containers with food contamination, used napkins or tissues, food wrappers or chip bags, glass bottles, and then plastic bags. Let's check out what's next.
They carry the tied bags outside to a large dumpster.
This is my favorite takeaway from the entire video. Did you know that blue, black, and clear bags will all go into the same dumpster, but only the blue bags will be opened and hand-sorted for recyclable content at the waste transfer station?
They place the pre-sorted bags and cardboard inside.
But this process all starts with us at the recycling bins. Join us in sorting properly.
Next, I'm gonna go take a look at the waste transfer station.
A 360 degrees view of the Green Facilities and Services waste truck with a large green recycling symbol. The design features campus icons, the alma mater statue, squirrels, the Illinois outline with a heart, and recycling imagery like crushed bottles, boxes, and a sprouting plant. Inside the waste transfer station, trash and recycling move along a conveyor belt. Workers pull blue recycling bags from the line to be hand-sorted. Paper drops into collection pens below. The first committee member stands in front of the sorting area.
Welcome to the waste transfer station, where all our hard work sorting waste is reflected. This facility brings in refuse, trash, and recycling from all university-affiliated buildings. It is also a material recovery facility. Recyclables collected on campus will go through a second sort on the sort line, where each type of material will be separated out and then baled. Here is our Zero Waste coordinator to tell us more.
Here at the waste transfer station is where all of our blue bags get separated out and sorted, so it's super important that we are recycling properly up front at the bins. Additionally, for all of the construction and demolition projects on campus where facilities and services is involved, the team works behind the scenes to collect scrap metal to recycle that properly. The university also gets a lot of shipments, so for all of the wooden pallets that are still in great condition, they are collected and stored behind the waste transfer station, where they are then sold off to a local recycling vendor. Additionally, once we have all of our materials collected and sorted, they are then baled and put onto a trailer to be sent and sold off to our local recycling vendor. This provides demand in the global marketplace for post-consumer recycled content.
Here, we see plastic types number 1 and number 2 going through the baling process. After the plastic has been sorted and separated by hand on the conveyor line, it is then collected and pushed onto the baler's angled conveyor line to drop into the baling chamber. Until enough plastic is collected to make an entire bale, it will be stored back in a roll-off container. As the plastic falls into the chamber, an operator stands by to control the pressure and dimension of the bale as it is being compacted.
The baler's sliding doors open, revealing a compacted plastic bale.
Once the plastic has reached adequate size and is compacted together, the bale releases so it can be secured by metal wires.
The machine continues to bind the bale into a manageable block. An up-close pan shows the crushed plastic inside.
The waste transfer station is all about fuel efficiency. As soon as a bale is complete, a skid steer stacks it into a semi-trailer, where it will stay stored until the trailer is full and ready to transport to our recycling broker.
A bobcat skid steer drives in to lift the bale, then reverses and carries it out of the warehouse. Compacted plastic bales are stacked neatly outside. Back at the water fountain, the committee member concludes the video.
Thank you for joining us for our campus's Zero Waste module. Any additional questions about recycling or waste resources can be directed to the Zero Waste team on campus, or you can scan the QR code for a list of updated resources. Stay green, Illini.
A Block I Illinois logo animates on screen. Together, we can achieve a Zero Waste Illinois. Scan the QR code or visit go.fs.illinois.edu/zero waste resources to access the latest recycling and waste resources. Join us in supporting our campus circular economy. Questions? Contact the Zero Waste team at recycling@illinois.edu.